Good day, Phoenix Typewriter here. We're going to show how to respool a ribbon, and it's going to go on this full-size Adler machine. And just gotta take the covers off, get to the ribbon. This thing is shot. As you can see, it's not printing much. So we're going to switch this out and show you how to. This has a. The reason we're respooling this is these spools look like standard spools, but they're not. They have a slightly larger shaft here, so the standard spools that generally come with standard ribbon that fit most machines, the hole here is too small. It won't fit. That shaft is just a little bigger. That's not very common. Most of them, this ribbon will fit. So let's take this off. Let's take it out of the lift. Take this one off. We're just going to take this ribbon off the spools. Let me move this typewriter out of the way. So first thing we got to do is just get a little shaft here and just unspool this thing real quick. Just get that ribbon off of there. Quickest way to do it is just do it like this. Spin it off until you get a spool. And disconnect it inside of here. It's got a little clip in there. This spool 2, it's got a little clip. Okay, so now we got our 2 spools we want. Throw that ribbon away. So the new ribbon, we just take it off the spools here. And we got one. We're going to transfer this ribbon. Throw that spool away. We're going to transfer this ribbon onto these spools. All I got to do is, there's a little hook in here. And since we ripped this out of a hook, it's already got a small hole right there. So all you got to do is lay this ribbon in there, get it hooked in that little hole. Kind of pre-hole, there it goes, and that's it. And we kind of line this up. So now we're going to spin this ribbon onto the spool, and what I have for that is a little gizmo we made. All it is a screw and a little blocker plate here with a nut, and then the wing nut goes on the end here, so this would go in the drill. Tighten up. Wing that off. Stick the spool in here that we're going to wind. Tighten it up with the wing nut. Pink. Just like that. And now all we got to do is really stick a hold this with a rod in the center and hit the drill. We're gonna, oops, it reverse, and that's all you gotta do is got a little bit wound there first. Looking at the video, not the ribbon. Okay. All you gotta do is hold tension on this with your thumb. It keeps it kind of tight in there. That's it. She's done. Wing nut this thing off. Ribbon onto the spool with the larger hole. Rip this one off the spike there. Come on. Reattach this one like we did the other one. Roll that eyelet in a little bit there. That's it. We got a black and red ribbon on the spools that will fit this machine. Set this drill aside here. Machine back over here. Give us a little better angle. And this goes in pretty straightforward. It winds this direction. You can always check and see which way these are winding. So it just goes, it's taking its standard spin around. Lever out to the way. Put it through the little forks there. These are the reverse forks for the eyelet to catch. And stick it through the guide here, which is, we can lift that up with a couple tight bars and stick it through the back there. Just like that. Lower the tight bars. Let's see how she looks compared to the previous. Well, it's like night and day. Oops, sorry about that. But it's looking pretty good. This is a nice full-size Adler. But that's how we re-spool ribbons here. Anybody can make this little device. It's just a wing nut. Old screw, we cut it. Put a plate on there so the ribbon clamps in there. And just stick that in the drill and zip. Alright. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.